Unlocking language. Get the gears moving. Hello, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase, get the gears moving. This expression is a fantastic example of how English often uses imagery to convey abstract ideas. If you've ever been curious about what this phrase means and how to use it, you're in the right place. Let's explore together. Get the gears moving is a metaphorical expression. It originates from the imagery of machinery or gears in motion. When gears start moving, it means a machine has begun to work or operate. Similarly, when we apply this phrase to people or projects, it signifies starting to take action or initiating progress. It's about overcoming inertia and beginning to move forward. To better understand how "get the gears moving" is used, let's look at some examples. 1. In a work context. If a project has been delayed, a manager might say, "Let's get the gears moving," meaning it's time to start working diligently on the project. 2. Personal motivation. When someone is procrastinating on starting a new hobby, a friend might encourage them by saying, "You just need to get the gears moving," implying that the first step is the hardest, but it's necessary to begin. These examples show the phrase can be versatile, used in professional, personal, and various other contexts. Understanding synonyms and related phrases can enrich your vocabulary and offer you alternative ways to express the same idea. Here are a few. Kickstart. This is a bit more colloquial and implies starting something quickly. Set the ball rolling. Similar to get the gears moving, it suggests initiating a process or activity. Get cracking. A casual way to say, start working on something immediately. By knowing these synonyms, you can add variety to your English speaking and writing. And that's a wrap on Get the Gears Moving. We hope this video has ignited your curiosity and helped get your own gears moving in learning English. Remember, every phrase you learn opens up new ways to express yourself and understand the world around you. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.